Does Allah have a greatest name? And the answer is yes. Is that confirmed by Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam? And the answer is yes. Does many or do many people know it? And the answer is no. But tonight, we're going to change the last answer, inshallah. In many hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam mentioned the name of Allah, and in some narrations, it's authentic that it is Ya Hayyu, Ya Qayyum. But the one we're going to learn tonight, inshallah ta'ala, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he did not only say that this is the greatest name of Allah, he swore by the one whom the soul of Muhammad in his hand. Let me ask you a question. Does Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam have to swear for us to believe him? Look at the depth of this dua that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam walked into the masjid. He saw a man making dua. He said, Allahumma inni as'aluka bi Anni Ashhadu Annaka Antalllah, La Ilaha illa Anta Al-Ahadus-Samadu, Alladhi lam Yalid, wa lam Yulad, wa lam Yakun Lahu Kufuwan, Ahad. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, by the one whom Muhammad's soul in his hand, he asked Allah by his greatest names. The name when he is asked by, he gives, and if he is called upon, he answers. Please, who's saying this? Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the one who taught us everything about our deen. What is this dua? The man said, Allahumma inni asaluka. We all know that, right? Allahumma inni asaluka bi Annaka Antalllah. You are Allah. La ilaha illa ant. There is no one worthy of worship except you. Then the rest is what? Surat Al-Ikhlas. Bi Anni Ashhadu. Annaka Antalllah. La ilaha illa anta Al-Ahad. The only one. Al-Samad. Then the just literally, Surat Al-Ikhlas. Lam Yulad, walam Yakun Lahu Kufuwan Ahad. And then ask Allah, after that introduction, whatever you want. Subhanallah. Let's do it together as usual, okay? Allahumma inni asaluka bi Anni Ashhadu, Annaka Antalllah, la ilaha illa Anta, Al-Ahadus-Samadu, Alladhi lam, Yalid walam, Yulad, walam Yakun, Lahu Kufuwan, Ahad. I don't want somebody to go, Sheikh. I made this dua for 3 days, and I ask Allah for a good wife, and I'm still single. It doesn't work like that. Make dua constantly. Have certainty that Allah will answer when it's the best time for me. Can I say this in my sujood? Absolutely. Can I say this before I make taslim? Absolutely. Can I say it just any time? Absolutely. So please make this dua, teach this dua to your spouses, to your children. May Allah accept all our dua.